Hello, my name is Tyler, and today we're working with the XC-540. We're going to go over how to do a test print and what it means if you have a bad test print and how to fix it. So let's get started. To do a test print, all you're going to do is hold down the test print button until it prints. This is what a test print looks like when it comes out. Basically what you're looking for here is any missing dashes or anything that's misaligned in here. This is super hard to see, but we do have some missing dashes on this one all the way on the right. There's probably 3 or 4 in there. You may not be able to see it on the camera, but to get rid of those, we just are going to run a cleaning. We'll do that now and show you how to do that, and it should fix this issue. To do a cleaning, you're just going to press the cleaning button to go into the cleaning menu. From here you have normal cleaning, medium cleaning, or powerful cleaning. You can just start with normal cleaning. If that didn't fix your issue, you could run a medium cleaning, and last resort, you could then run a powerful cleaning if medium cleaning also did not do it. But to do a normal cleaning, which should fix your issue, you'll just go over from here and then press enter to start the cleaning. After the cleaning's done, you can exit out of that menu and go back and run another test print. This is what a good test print should look like. If you're not missing any dashes like this looks like here, you should be good. You'll have good print quality, so you're good to go ahead and run your job as long as no dashes are missing here. That's how you run a test print on the Roland XC-540. If you're having any issues with your prints, getting banding, missing colors, anything really wrong with your print, it's a good idea to run a test print and do a cleaning. Make sure everything is running properly before you run through some more media. If you were still having issues, you can definitely call us here at Wensco and we'll help you out. But if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you'd like to see us do next. And if you liked anything you saw in this video, you can check it out at wensco.com. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.